Hey everyone, Safarisha here, and today I'm going to talk about why I decided to start all over on Instagram. So, a little bit of background information. I made my Instagram account before I even had a smartphone, and it was super annoying and super hard to upload things on my Instagram. I made a picture with my camera, emailed it to myself so I could upload it with my tablet, and yeah, that was quite horrible, so I couldn't really keep up with the pace, so my start on Instagram wasn't really good. And yeah, my Instagram has been all over the place, and DeviantArt was basically dying, and everyone went to Instagram, and so did I. When I finally got the hang of Instagram, I grew little by little until the point I had around 5,000 followers. And you'd say that's pretty okay, right? Well, not really. As you may know, I changed, my art style changed, and I found a new love for art and also a new style. And my Instagram was a mix of old and new art. It had my old manga style, some sort of realism, digital style, traditional art, mixed media, etc. So my feed wasn't really aesthetically pleasing, as you can see. And that should not be a problem, but actually it is. But people followed me for my manga style or my other style, and now I'm doing something completely different. So yeah, the past few months, well, basically the whole year, my Instagram didn't grow, and it became worse and worse until the point that I was feeling pretty depressed about it, because yeah, I just didn't know what to do, and the engagement dropped. So yeah. And on this website you can check your engagement rate, by the way. And this shows how many followers are actually engaging with your content. And as you can see, it isn't that bad. Well, maybe it is. It is 8%, but I don't believe that because my newest posts are not doing so well. So yeah, here we are. So I made a new account to start all over, and I will explain why I think it is better to have less followers who are active than having tons and tons of followers and ghost followers who basically do not care about your content. Let me explain. So you have a shining bright Instagram account, and over the years you have gained 5,000 followers. Just like me. Now you think when I post my work, 5,000 people are going to like it. Well, you are wrong. Maybe you get 200 likes. How the hell is this possible, you think? People follow you because they like your work, right? Well, yes. But Instagram is a bit of a sneaky platform, and I will tell you why. Instagram shows your post to a small percentage of your followers, which is already kind of a weird thing, but we have to deal with that. So let me show you this. You post your work and Instagram decides to show it to 5 followers, where from 4 of them are not active, aka ghost followers. So you will receive 1 like. The algorithm will see that your post isn't doing so well, so decides it is not worth it to show it to more people. But when you have active followers and Instagram shows your post to 5 followers who are actually active and like your post, you will get 5 likes instead of 1. And the algorithm is like, damn, she doing good. This must be a good post. Let's show it to more people. And this way your post will be shown to other people. So the amount of followers you have isn't necessarily a good thing, because let's say you have 5,000 followers, just like me, and only 8% is active. You get less likes versus the followers you have. So you will have a low engagement. And when you have 500 followers and let's say 50% of them are active, you have a very high engagement, which is good and helps you grow. So my Instagram account was like beating a dead horse. I tried really hard to grow, but it just didn't work because I cannot grow because I have so many inactive followers. So it is better to have less followers but a higher engagement than more followers and less engagement. And this is why I made a new start, and to be honest, I am pretty terrified to say goodbye to my old account and I have no idea what will happen, but I think it's a good thing, but we shall see. I was just so done with my old account and it just didn't make me feel happy anymore. I wasn't enjoying art, but since a couple months I found my motivation again and my love for art. So I decided to start all over because it was time for a change. But one thing I know for sure is that I am already happy that I made the step. It feels good to leave all the ghosts behind and have a fresh start. So I hope I could explain you why I decided to create a new account on Instagram, and maybe I have inspired you to do the same thing, even though it is scary as hell. So this was my Instagram story and I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to check out my new Instagram account. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!